Welcome to our quick guide on using the spacer block. In this video, we'll show you how to add a spacer block to enhance your website's layout. A spacer block is a simple tool that adds adjustable empty space between sections or content, improving visual flow and clarity. To use it, open the website section where you want the spacer. Search for the spacer block in your editor's block library and insert it into your desired section. Let's get started. Now that you've inserted the spacer block, let's customize it to fit your website's design. Start by navigating to the General Settings. Here you can define the height of the spacer block by dragging the slider or manually inputting a number to set the perfect spacing. Next, let's add some flair. Head to the Advanced Settings and select the background option. You can choose a solid color, gradient, or even an image to make the spacer block blend seamlessly with your design. Customize the background to match your design needs, image size, position, or attachment settings as needed. If you're using an image, drag the background position to align it perfectly. Once you're happy with the customization, click the Save button to apply all your changes. Now let's check the results. Click Preview to see how your spacer block looks on the live page. Visual: smooth zoom out of the website preview, transitioning to a branded end screen with text overlay. We hope this tutorial helped you master the spacer block. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.